Hello guys. If you have noticed the priority light on your Rheem Tankless water heater and are wondering what it actually means, you are not alone because many users see the light without fully understanding its purpose. Sometimes the priority light turns on while adjusting temperature settings, and other times people are unsure why one controller works while another does not. Since a Rheem Tankless water heater can use multiple controllers in some homes, the priority light helps decide which controller has control over the temperature settings at that moment. Understanding how this feature works can make using hot water much easier and help avoid confusion when changing settings. The great thing is that once you understand the priority function, managing temperature becomes very simple. In this video, I will explain what the Rheem Tankless water heater priority light means and how to use it properly. Try these. Step 1. Check if the Rheem Tankless water heater priority light is on because the water heater controller with the light usually controls temperature settings. Step 2. Press the priority button on the Rheem Tankless water heater controller to activate the Rheem Tankless water heater temperature control. Step 3. Confirm the Rheem Tankless water heater priority light stays visible on the Rheem Tankless water heater controller after pressing the button. Step 4. Adjust the temperature settings on the Rheem Tankless water heater only after the Rheem Tankless water heater priority light becomes active. Step 5. Test hot water from the Rheem Tankless water heater and confirm the Rheem Tankless water heater responds to the updated setting. Step 6. Check the Rheem Tankless water heater priority light again to confirm the Rheem Tankless water heater controller is working correctly.